By now, I'm sure you guys know what Opus Clip is. You know, it takes the long videos, cuts it into a bunch of short clips, pretty much making a highlight reel, perfect for YouTube shorts. But recently, you guys, I have found an AI tool that does a lot more than that. It does that, but it does a lot more than that. So it's going to give you a lot more options and a lot more flexibility. All right. And I wanted to make sure that I showed it to you guys because you guys know how much I love AI tools. So make sure you guys pay attention because we're going to take an in-depth look at one of the options that this tool features. I'm going to show you how it works. So let's get into the laptop right now and I will show you how this works.
All right, guys. So the tool is called Wondershare Uniconverter. And when I show you all these tools that it has, you're going to be blown away. As you can see, you have some standard video, audio, and image tools. And then you got some more right here. And then down below you have an AI lab, which is packed full of different AI tools. So now when you're looking in the AI lab, you are going to find a whole bunch of different amazing AI tools, including the one that we'll be using today that I'll be showcasing for you guys, which is called Auto Highlights. This is basically going to be like the same exact tool as Opus Clip, except we have some different options. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload a clip, and I'm just going to use this clip that I have created for my daughter. All right, that's my baby playing. Now what you see over here is a bunch of different settings. So you can either choose to create 90-second clip, a 60-second clip, a 30-second clip, or a 15-second clip. Or if you don't want to choose any of these, you can just go ahead and click on auto, and the AI tool is going to automatically go through and it's going to scan your whole video, and it's going to pull out only the highlights from that video, and it will condense it down into a much smaller video that's going to be completely packed full of action. Okay, so it's going to remove all the boring parts of the video, and it's going to create you an entire new video that's a lot shorter and it's only filled with highlights. So in order to do this, all you have to do is select which option you want, and then you go ahead and click on export. So for this one, I'll just go ahead and click on auto. I'm gonna let the AI do its thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on export. And now, as you can see, the AI is gonna go ahead and analyze the entire video, and it's gonna create a much shorter video, which is just packed full with highlights from the longer video. So as you can see, this video is 9 minutes and 13 seconds long. And now pretty soon you will see the end result and what it has automatically done. And we're just about there. And it's only taken about a minute for the AI to analyze the video and to completely edit it on its own. Now you guys will see in just a second how amazing this tool is. I absolutely love it, and I don't think I have to edit videos anymore. I think it's over with. No more editing videos for AI Web TV. And here we are, guys. It has finished editing our video. Let's open it up and let's see what the AI has created for us. Now, as you can see, let's just take a look real quick down here where you see 1 minute and 50 seconds. This video was originally 9 minutes and 13 seconds long, and the AI has managed to shorten it down to just under 2 minutes. So it has went through and completely edited this video for me. I didn't have to go on the timeline. I didn't have to cut anything. I didn't have to trim anything. I didn't have to do anything at all. I clicked one button.
Oh, I'm dirty.
Where is it? Look what we found, Adley. It's a jungle pool.
Cheese!
Everybody say cheese.
Cheese! Okay, so now they're going somewhere else. Mommy! Family! Family! Help!
Let's go find your family, Adley.
Because
Let's go, let's
my
go.
lake. Cheese! Thanks for watching.
So as you can see, guys, this is why I love this tool, because this would have taken forever. For those of you who know video editing, you know it is an extremely tedious process and it just takes forever. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a skill to have be able to edit a good video. It is a skill and it takes a lot of patience. It just takes so long. And in the end, if you're good at it, it turns out great. But was it worth it after the amount of views you get and how much time and effort you put into it? Or is it better for you to just upload your video, click the button, and let the AI do the work for you? Okay, this is Wondershare Uniconverter. This is what I want to show you guys, and this is only one tool within this platform. Like I said, let me close this out and let me show you real quick. Look at how many tools they have. They got an AI voice changer, a vocal remover that's going to automatically separate vocals from music, which is awesome. They have a scene detection, so you can upload a video and it can automatically cut your video into a bunch of different clips, and that way you can go through and decide if you want to remove some clips, if you want to add in some transitions, but it's going to automatically split your video into a bunch of different clips where it finds necessary. Okay, you have text to speech, you got a script generator, you got so many different AI tools, and I will be highlighting these tools in the next video, so make sure that you guys stick around, subscribe to the channel, and go get Wondershare Uniconverter so you can start editing your videos by clicking one button.